Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Discord in your web browser in a very simple way. You just need to go into Google Chrome browser. You can choose any of your preferable browser and then you can type over here call Discord, click enter, and after that you will get a option called discord.com website. So if you click on that, you can simply click on download for Windows or you can go for open Discord in your browser. So if you click on that, here we just need to give enter a display name. So I'm going to give my display name and now it will currently loading, and after a short time you just need to click object that is different. So that one is different, so click next, and the last one is this. After the verification completed, you will successfully go into this Discord, you can see. And from here, you just need to select welcome to Discord, your birthday date. So I will going to randomly paste there and again click next and going to close this. And here you just need to give your email address. If you don't want to give your email address right now, you can give it another time as well. So from here, you can search where you want to join the server. And yeah, this is how you can use Discord into your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.